Hey guys, Pankil here from Outranking. In this video, we will see how to run plagiarism checker on your content and fix any potential duplicate issues. In order to find plagiarism issues or the plagiarism utility, click on Writing Tools and navigate to Plagiarism Checker. You will see how many assessment credits this particular scan will consume. Start plagiarism scan and wait for a few minutes in order for us to scan the web, find duplicate issues, and give you recommendations. This scan took a few minutes to load. Once the scan completes loading, you will be able to see the percentage of your content that overlaps with some of the sources mentioned in the scan. You can quickly go over the sentences which might have plagiarism issues. You can select the sentence or the entire paragraph and click on Rewrite to rewrite the specific sentence and make it unique. If you want to rewrite all the sections or all the potential plagiarism issues altogether, you can click on Fix Plagiarism and it will rewrite every sentence that it finds duplicate issues with. That's it for the plagiarism checker. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.